Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I'm back with another Ipsy package, and let's dive right into it. I did pay for this separately from my Ipsy Glim Bag Plus and the others. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right into the thing. First thing I'm pulling out is by Maui. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's the name of the company, I guess. And it's their Night Repair Cosmetic Ampoules oil-based concentrate that repairs dry skin caused by environmental aggression. As you can see, I have not yet opened this up because there's tape right there. Ow. Well, I'm not going to have a pair of scissors right here that I could try to cut this through because of the tape. I meant to do this, film this yesterday, but something came up. And whoa, that's a lot. I wasn't expecting this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is what the product looks like. There's 10 in there. So yeah. Let's see here. Says I'm supposed to shake and pull, place the applicator, break it at the height of the ring, and deposit the liquid in the palm of your hands. Of the hand, apply at night on clean skin on face, neck, and neckline before your usual clean with a gentle massage until product is completely absorbed. So yeah, this is the first item I pulled out. The next item I'm pulling out, the next thing I'm pulling out is the glam bag, the bag itself. That's what it looks like, same all the way around. I actually kind of like the design. So I'm gonna go open it out. And the first thing I'm pulling out is the We Are Fluid 7 Free Polish Duo. And this, the first one I'm pulling out is the shade Titan Moon. I'm not going to swatch it right now. I'll probably put this one before the next video. I don't know when that's going to be. And the next shade is Far Infrared. And this is what it looks like. It's like kind of like an orange creamsicle color. I think I might apply this one or the other one. I'm not sure yet. So these are going to go with the other nail polishes that I have, which I believe I unboxed those in a previous video. So yeah. The next one I'm going to take out is by Juice Beauty, and it's their SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. And it's vegan. Let's see, oxide. I'm looking at the due to the nature of mineral formulations, shaken what? And need the tube before use. Moisturize daily by applying generously and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. May be used over moisturizer or alone. So I have no idea what the tube looks like. Oh, now I see why they say need it. It's kind of like a harsh covering. Well, not covering, but I can see why they say it, because it's like a little bit hard. Anyway, this is what it looks like. See if it's got the... Yeah, it's safety sealed. So I'm not going to be able to, like, smell it or anything. Right now. Alright, let's see. Next thing I'm pulling out is... Yeah, I had already opened up the peek what was inside. And this next one I'm pulling out is by Dermatellus or something. And it's their citrus gold oil. So I'm supposed to shake it up like this. And like do something like that. And put it on my skin. Let me see. I can't quite read it, but those are the directions. Right there. I needed to get my eyes checked, I know. Alright, next thing I'm pulling out, the last thing I'm pulling out is by Yinsa, and it's their Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. And the shade Noble. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright, so back to this. I pulled out the Yinsa Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick in the shade Noble. I kind of like how this is packaged. And, yeah. Yeah, I gotta push this top button in order to get it out. Which I kind of like the shade, which I think I might be able to swatch. Here's what it looks like swatched. I kind of like how it looks. It's like a kind of a red shade. So right now I can't quite, well, lying say I can't swatch right now. Well, try to like see how easily it comes off. It comes off kind of easy. Probably because I didn't give it much time to like set. So I guess that's about it for this video. I do not know when the next video will be. It will be whenever my next package comes in, which is probably Amazon. But that's like 2 cords for, and 2 more charging cords. So, I guess that'll be it for this video. Bye, y'all.